Okay, show me how to use them. Show me how to use it. Show me, what do you do with it? Evie, what's that in your hand? Tell me what that is.
That's my fire.
Flour. And what do you do with the flour?
And it goes flowing.
You smell it.
What's this? We open this.
No, we don't open them.
What's this for?
Paintbrush. Can you show us the shaky?
What's this for?
It's a paintbrush.
It's a paintbrush.
What's that? What's that right there? How do you use that?
That's a green.
Can you show us the green?
This open.
Yes, it opens. Okay, say bye.
Hi.
Lily, you gonna say bye?
Bye.
Don't spray that. Say bye.
Bye.